Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. This is the only thing that I've been doing that has helped my hair grow tremendously fast. It has reversed my alopecia and it also reversed that bald spot in the middle of my head in just 2 weeks. This is how it's looking like. And I just started using the hair growth oil on it. So this right here is 2 weeks of growth. See guys, I have the same nail polish on. It's 2 weeks of growth. So the first video was 4 days of growth. And this one is 2 weeks of growth using the hair oil. There were thousands and thousands of orders placed. And I'm so happy to hear that you guys have already been seeing hair growth. And it's only been a few days. So definitely don't forget to document your journeys. Take before and after pictures. 65. Plus, how many 65 bags did we have?
5.
Oh, 5? Okay. Did we have any other big bags?
Yeah. No international. We have big bags. I put them all in there, in the other bags.
I know, but how many? Okay, now for all of those that are new to my channel, I know you're probably like, okay, I clicked on this video and I still don't know what the hell she's talking about. I created a hair growth oil that has reversed my alopecia, it has reversed my bald spot, and it's definitely helping a lot of people already, and it's just been a few days. Now, you're probably asking, why does it work so fast or how does it work? It's because of the formula that I perfected over the course of 8 months. I got FENUGREEK, Irish sea moss, black seed oil, black castor oil, cedarwood, AMLA gooseberry, rosemary, lavender, KUKUI seed oil, sesame seed oil, grape seed oil, slippery elm, marshmallow root, and girl, that's just a few of the key ingredients, okay? And there's no oil buildup. It doesn't feel oily. This thing just melts right into the hair shaft. And I know some of you guys have already been seeing growth. Y'all been describing it as a peach fuzz or like sparse hairs, and that's very, very entirely normal. Those sparse hairs are gonna thicken up and then you're gonna start getting the length. Each ingredient in this formula serves a purpose. So if you're suffering from thinning hair, balding, thinning edges, slow hair growth, psoriasis, dandruff, dry brittle ends, what else is out there? Alopecia, male and female pattern baldness. I can't even think of anything else off the top of my head. But if you're suffering from these things, each ingredient serves a purpose, and that is to stimulate hair growth and, most importantly, heal the hair follicle. This right here is the secret that has been making my hair grow like crazy. It grew out this bald spot that I had. It grew out the bald spot in 2 weeks. This is the 3rd week, so I'll show you how it looks right now. See that short hair? That's where the bald spot used to be. So 3 weeks ago, there was no hair at all in this area. I don't even know if you guys can see it or not, but I'm pulling the short hair. So there was no hair, and because of the oil, it grew back in full. And before that, before I started using the oil, that bald spot did not grow in for about 4 months. So because using the oil, now it's no more bald spot. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how to apply it. This oil is very potent, so a little bit goes a long way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start parting your hair. And just put a little bit, just a drop on your fingertips. A little bit goes a long way, y'all. You don't want to waste the oil, so just put a small drop on your fingertips and apply it directly to the scalp. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, y'all. I sincerely do appreciate it. And thank you so much to all my CN girls. There was thousands of you guys that actually purchased the oil. And there's quite a few of you that have already been seeing results. And you're already seeing peach fuzzes and sparse hairs in the area that you've never seen it before. So I'm so happy about that. And that actually brought tears to my eyes because I know how it feels, you know, when you're in that position of losing your hair. And it doesn't feel good. So when I do see progress, it really, really touches me. So send me more of your stories, y'all. I definitely want to see your before and after. So make sure to document your progress. Tag me in all your pictures, your before and afters. Please tag me. And if you're brand new to my channel, or if you were thinking about purchasing the oil, girl, go ahead and get yourself a bottle because it will change your life. I left all the information as well as the ingredients in the description box below, so you can research each one of these ingredients yourself and know that this formula is on beast mode. And don't forget, we are coming up with the formula for the conditioner and the shampoo, the hair growth conditioner and the shampoo. So definitely make sure you sign up on the website cnbysadora.com, so I will be able to send you an email and notify you when both of these products have launched. My battery's about to die, so I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.